Whoa, wait a minute! That tastes like banana!
What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. We're back making some banana milk.
Yeah, we've been seeing this banana milk lattes, because I've also seen them as coffee too.
Should we try that too?
I mean, we could. We have the coffee. We could try them both, because you'd have to tell us how the coffee one goes.
Yeah.
But. Okay, we're going to try 2 banana milk lattes today. We're going to try it in coffee form. We're going to try it in matcha latte form, because I've seen both of them around. And I'm so curious. I feel like it should be good. Everyone seems obsessed with it.
Yeah.
And like, banana and matcha feels like it would be a good combo.
I could see it, except, you know what? I just can't get banana medicine out of my head.
That's fair. That is fair.
As like, what I'm expecting it to taste like, and I don't think that's fair.
Yeah, that's...
I think it's going to be better than that.
I think it's going to be better than that.
Because I don't think that many people would be into banana medicine matcha lattes.
So, we're going to make some banana milk, which... We've determined we're going to do bananas and milk with some, I've seen most people add vanilla extract to it, so we'll do that. I've seen some people add sugar to it. I don't know if we need to.
I mean, the banana, are those the bananas?
Yeah,
they're pretty ripe.
So they should be sweet enough. So we're going to do banana milk and vanilla extract.
And that's it.
And then make our lattes as normal. Do we try and froth it, or you just add it straight to it? You don't
we have to blend it up, right?
Right, so kind of froth it. Okay,
anyways.
So we're gonna blend up some bananas.
Should we prep the
lattes
so that it's freshly frothed?
Maybe. Yeah, let's prep our lattes first. Because we're doing ice anyways, right?
Ice, yeah.
So it's not like they have to stay warm. Exactly. Okay, perfect. We're gonna make some lattes. Do we need to show this? We don't need to show us making coffee,
well,
right?
we're using a Keurig to make the coffee.
Look at us. Woo! All right, so we have.
Where's my drink?
Coffee. Matcha. Now we make banana milk. Now the real question is, how much milk to banana? Do we do 2 bananas? 1 banana?
2 bananas seems like a lot.
That seems like a lot of bananas.
Let's
Start
do
with
1 and see how banana-y it tastes.
Banana-y.
These are adorable little bananas.
Okay, right.
Hello.
We're finding such good size bananas. Like, this is the size I want for a snack. Some
Yeah.
bananas are freaking huge. And this is the size of banana I want.
Perfect. Little banana.
All right, so we got a little banana.
Yeah.
This is like 1 cup line. How much do you think? I'm doing 1 cup to start.
At least 1, so that it has enough to like blend it for it to good.
Yeah.
Because we also don't want it too thick.
Yeah, because we want it milky still. You know? It's not a smoothie.
No. That's not a thing yet.
What else are we? Vanilla extract. Maybe we'll blend it, and if we need to add more milk.
You're right. It's harder to take it out.
Yeah. A touch of vanilla.
Yeah. Measure with your heart.
Does that feel good?
Perfect.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna blend this up and see how it goes. Let's see. Oh, is it more vanilla-y than banana-y?
I don't know. It's pretty banana-y.
Pretty banana-y?
Yeah, that's pretty banana-y.
Pretty banana-y? Is this enough for 2 drinks? Probably, right?
I think so.
Just to top
like
it
a
off?
cup of milk between our 2 drinks?
Yeah.
I don't think I would usually add that much anyways.
Do we want to try and froth, or do we want to just leave it? Just pop it in and see if it works.
Okay.
Worst case, it's not froth.
Let's be fancy. Let's try for once.
Didn't really froth.
That's okay. It still looks good.
All right. You want to pour yours first?
Oh my gosh. ASMR.
Is that all you do?
I'll try that for now. Okay. I might add more, but I don't know. To assess the color of it, you know? It's pretty light. I also want to be able to taste it, I guess.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
All right. Ready?
Ready.
I get hints of banana. I think I would need more banana milk in here.
Me too.
In fairness to the banana milk matcha, I looked no recipe up. I didn't see what ratios people do. I think we'd almost need to make it more a latte, less coffee.
Probably.
More milk, less.
It's like very subtle at the end.
Mm-hmm.
I could taste that there's banana in my coffee.
Yeah, do you want to taste the matcha?
Okay.
I smell coffee so much while drinking the matcha. I'm like, what the fuck's that noise?
It's ruining it.
It needs more banana, right?
I mean, definitely if you want it, full banana.
Yeah. Full banana, please. I'm just gonna pour the rest in here and see.
I kind of feel like with the matcha, it's more at the beginning. With the coffee, it's more at the end. But again, you're right. This should have been a latte. I should have made this like way less.
Yeah, I need to. I don't know. Everyone's so obsessed with it that I'm like, should I follow the recipe?
But also, how much milk?
I don't like coffee, but I'm gonna try it.
You're not gonna like that. See if you get it at the end at all.
Oh, I hate coffee so much. Ugh. It's horrible. Why do people drink this drink? Ugh.
How do you like that? I would normally make it a little sweeter.
Yeah, I would even honestly probably add sweetness to this too.
Yeah.
Honestly, potential. I think we could do a part 2 to this video where we actually try it better.
Do it proper.
Make lattes, because we can't do another. We're having more caffeine later today. We can't do more. And we're running out of banana.
So, review.
Potential. Inconclusive. We should follow a recipe. We can't just wing it.
But, okay, so maybe, though, can you tell us in the comments?
Yeah, if you've had a good banana milk latte, whether it's coffee or matcha, link it below.
What exactly did you do?
Yeah, what are the ratios you did? Did you froth it? Did it froth? How much banana to milk if you made your banana milk?
Did you add vanilla? Did you add cinnamon? Any accessories?
Yeah, we want some tips because we'll do a part 2. I want to try. I feel like I could like this.
Yeah, I kind of getting like just the hints of it. I kind of get it.
Yeah. I think I could like it, and I want to like it.
It's making me feel like I'm having like banana bread with my coffee.
Yeah, which I'm here for.
Lovely.
Because honestly, I think I need to branch out from just a regular matcha latte. I love matcha latte, but I want more fun in my morning drink.
I get it.
So like the occasional banana milk matcha latte, I'd love.
All right.
But we're gonna try this again. Let us know in the comments.
This is part 1.
I'll still drink this. We have the maple syrup to it though. You want maple syrup?
Yes, please.
Did you want to try it? It's not that banana-y.
That's very banana-y.
It is?
Well, did you put maple syrup in it?
Yeah. Actually, yeah, the maple syrup brought out the
out
banana.
the banana? Hold on.
In mine too.
Whoa, wait a minute! That tastes like banana!
That's so funny.
I was like, what are you talking about, you crazy person?
Is banana flavor just sweet?
I mean, yes. But
Wait, wait! That's all we needed? Sweetener?
that's actually wild.
Whoa.
Hey, yo.
You should try this.
Are we No, I'm not just tasting maple syrup and thinking it's banana.
I think banana is just a sweet flavor, so I think when sweetness adds to it, it emphasizes
I think it would
it.
lend itself to
Yeah.
enhancing the banana. I don't know if other sugar would quite the same.
Wait.
Wow.
Oh,
Okay. Well, the video didn't end yet.
I still want tips below, but like maple syrup, add it.
We already improved it.
You agree with the matcha too, right?
Yeah.
That tastes very banana forward.
Yes. Wow, okay.
And I like it. It's nice.
We don't need a part 2 anymore.
I think I do actually want to try it.
Let us know still.
Maybe try it legitimately and make yours a latte.
Yes.
But never mind.
All we needed was some maple syrup. Isn't that always the case in life?
That's what we learned.
Yeah.
All you need is a little maple syrup.
Yeah.
Everything could use some maple syrup.
All right.
All right. Well, see you in the next one.